Here we go! Big Samsung secrets are leaking left and right as we are approaching the official launch of what could be the biggest Galaxy S lineup we have seen of all time, the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has officially announced a brand new camera technology that could change the smartphone zoom camera game forever, while also giving us a hint at a certain slim Galaxy S25 model. Before we talk about that, first we're gonna answer two questions. When and where is the Galaxy S25 announcement happening in 2025? Well, we might know the answer to that question. As much as I loved Samsung's last Unpacked event at the Louvre Museum in Paris, Samsung is once again returning to San Francisco, USA for the Galaxy S25 Unpacked, and the date for that is set to be January 22nd / January 23rd, meaning we're exactly 2 months away from the beast getting unleashed. Speaking of the beast, we have our first what could be a realistic real-life representation of the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design in the form of dummies. Normally, when this starts to happen, you should know that we are getting pretty close to the actual thing. In fact, case manufacturers have already started to reach out, which means the design, dimensions, everything is pretty much set and done for this phone. It's well into production. What's also in production is the new camera tech that Samsung has built, which could actually change the smartphone zoom game. We'll talk about it right after this. This chair is life-changing. If you're like most people who have to sit on a chair for a long period of times, whether you're gaming or working, then you have to invest in a chair that's designed for your health. Meet the Habata E3 office chair with a groundbreaking T-shaped support system that provides the most comfortable, customizable experience on the market. Let's start from the top. 4D double axis neck pillow, fully adjustable for that comfortable neck support. 6D mechanical armrest that's always there to support your arms at multiple angles and heights. And 3-zone wing lumbar support to take care of your back's health. Habata E3 is fully adjustable front and back, top to bottom, perfect for all heights. With 40 degrees rotation inside and outside, along with a semi-wraparound lumbar that fully supports your spine and muscles on both sides. It's got an aluminium alloy base with strong, durable build quality for years of usage, breathable and durable premium mesh fabric, and noiseless wheels so you can move it around with no worries. The time to prioritize your back health is here. Click my special link in the description to get the Habata E3 chair now to transform your gaming or office experience to the next level. Alrighty, Samsung has officially announced their brand new ISOCELL ALOP camera technology. This zoom sensor looks to be remarkably smaller compared to the traditional zoom sensors we have on the phone. It uses a brand new placement of lenses on top of a prism to achieve this smaller form factor. With this tech, Samsung can implement bigger zoom lenses without affecting the body of the phone. As we know, Samsung is bringing their first ever slim Galaxy S25 flagship model, so one of the things they have to do is to have slimmer camera lenses, so we could actually see this tech inside the S25 Slim. Speaking of the S25 Slim, the camera setup on that phone is every bit as ultra as you can expect. According to the latest rumor, it's set to utilize the 200 megapixel ISOCELL HP5 main sensor, Samsung's new 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and a 50 megapixel 3.5x zoom camera, which could use the new ALOP prism technology. Judging from their recent announcement, Samsung is pretty much locked in to bring the Galaxy S25 Slim to the market. Now, last but not the least, Samsung is bringing their much needed RAM upgrade for the base Galaxy S25 model. Apparently, the base S25 will have 12 gigs of RAM, which is about 50% more compared to the 8 gigs of RAM we have on the Galaxy S24. Meaning Samsung is indeed going all out, especially after the success they have seen for the base S24, which was actually in the top 10 best-selling phone worldwide. Believe it or not, base models are getting popular and popular every year, so it makes all sense to make the S25 as beefy as possible for those great sales numbers. So there we go, that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.